Hello dear investors, this is a short video on outlook of the market, that is Nifty 50. So as you can see here, we had a good run of approx, I'll tell you, about 13% from the lows of September 30. So if we consolidate here a bit, there won't be an issue as we have gone up a little bit more, and we can see if from few days the market is very lackluster. Yes, you can see here. It is falling, but there won't be any chances of crash until unless we crosses this part. This is 18099. You can say 1800, 18100. So if we don't fall below this, we are not seeing any crash. And the only single thing that can make market crash is the US. If US economy crashes, we are going to crash. And the only possibility is inflation. If inflation stays here, we are not gonna fall. When inflation goes up from here, we're gonna fall for sure. So you just have to take care of the inflation side and the Fed interest rates. Still, Fed is saying that it will cut the interest rates after 2023 only. So we have to just see to that. Uh, and now we see Nifty 50. Now we go to see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is showing the similar structure, but it hasn't fallen much more, but has given much more returns than Nifty. As you can see, it has given a return of 16%, 4% more than Nifty. So it has outperformed Nifty. And if we see small cap, I'll tell you what it is. Small cap, which is green in today, it has given very less returns from September 30. I'll tell you. So we can see a good up move in small cap index anytime soon. Look, it has given only 8%, 8.5% returns from September 30 bottom. So if you want to look for buy, go for mid caps and small caps only, not large caps, because it's a little bit risky here to buy large caps. Still, there are a few large caps that can offer a 10 to 15% returns quickly. So if you want to check the breadth of the market, how it's market going, you can check the Nifty 500 chart. I'll tell you it is. Let's search. So Nifty 500 chart hasn't done much, but still better than the small cap index. As you can see, it has given a return of maybe 10%. Yeah, 10.5%, 11%. So it has almost worked like a Nifty. I think I'll tell you that never stay away from the market. At least stay 50% in, as you don't know when the market will reverse. And the more of the money is lost in anticipating a correction than a correction itself, as some try to say. So you just don't have to go out of the market anytime. You have to invest at least 50% of all the time. So let's check the small cap index, which is doing better than Nifty today. It has doing good, been doing good from few days. Good quick rally here from a 5% rally, but that's not much. It's still a good thing. So now we go on to check the sectors that have worked the best. So in trading view, checking the sectors that are doing good right now. Just we have to follow this, filter that. The sectors which are doing today are doing good are health services, non-energy material, minerals, commercial services, produce and manufacturing. And the industry which are doing good today are, wait, yeah, the beverage and non-alcoholic thing, like foreign beverage and all. Yes, this is Varun Beverage. Varun Beverage has been an outperformer for the from the index for a big time. You can see the chart. Wait, we'll check the chart of VBL. You have to stay in the stock like these. I hold it, standard disclosure, and I wouldn't sell it anytime soon as it's a pedigree company and it has a lot more to come. The capex plan and everything is going well. You can see it has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern here. Not a perfect, but still you can see. But here it's a volume contraction and it broke out. I was in it from this part. Wait, yeah, this part. When it broke out from here, I bought it. This was my part. Look, you just have to buy stocks that are contracting a bit after having a good rally. Look, like you can see here, it has rallied from here to here very nicely. You can see the percentage from the lows we see from here. It is of 65%. That's a very good in a matter of from October 21 to August, like almost not almost 10 odd months. So if then it broke out from here, I bought it here. It did good here, good pattern, volume contraction and a breakout. You have to stay in the stocks like these to make maximum out of stock market. And now we were checking the sectors which were doing good. Let's go back to there and the home improvement chains. Let's see which stocks are in these. Shankara Building. Yeah, maybe Mr. Ashish Kacholia holds the stock. Let's check the chart first. Then we'll check if Mr. Ashish Kacholia holds the stock or not. Oh, this is a very good pattern. Same pattern as JK Tire and Kenny's Technologies, as it can do wonders. Sorry, if it crosses above this, it's of asymmetrical triangle, volume contraction. You can see volume is falling, and contraction like this in stocks can make a way for a good up move or a down move if it crosses either side. Like if it does this, it will go up. Oh, sorry, we'll delete this part. Do it again. If it do this, it would be a very good stock as it broke out and did a retest and then again broke out. So I would buy only if it crosses above this. And for a short opportunity, if it is in FNO, you have to watch if it does this. Yeah. So we have both the opportunities like a buy or a short sell. So you can check stock like these. Next we go to the industry part. The textile is doing good and textile industries have been working very nicely from few months. Let's check some of the stocks. Which stock had done better today? It's Raymond. Raymond was the best stock. I holded it but sold little bit early. I'll tell you where I sold it. Look, some chartings. I have to remove that to make sure you can see this properly. Just remove this thing. So pretend buy. Yes, I bought it here. 958. Where it is? 958. Around here, I bought it because it was getting support. This it got support here, then again up move, downfall, support here, up move, downfall, support here. So I bought it here, and there was no such targets, but I thought it could at least touch the all-time high, and my first target was the all-time high, which I met very soon. Like I bought it here around 26 August or so. Wait, battery is a little bit low, and I sold it around here. Not exactly at 80H, but a little bit fall then. But I made a good percentage, as you can see. If I see from here, I made a good 30% odd in matter of a month. So you can check stock like these. Stay in the stocks. It has broken out today with very good volumes. Maybe some HNI has invested in it. So you can check still, but it is a bit overvalued right now in terms of technicals. But you can check the fundamentals. I haven't checked the fundamentals yet, but I like the company and the management. They're very working very good about this company. So you can check about this company. So now we go on to check the next industry or sector, which is doing good. So we are in industry, so we'll check the miscellaneous manufacturing and producer manufacturing. The Drew welding stock I used to hold, but I sold early. So let's check some of the stock. The RHIM I holded it, sold early. There were few stocks I bought very early, but sold also very early. That's the issue. So let's check RHIM and where did I sold. I posted it on Twitter also that where did I buy, where did I bought, and where did I sold. I bought I think here and I sold here. No, sorry. I bought it here. I sold it here. Now it is again started to up for up move. Let's see how it goes. But the market is little bit overheated, so I just took the profits home. That was best for me at that moment. So you can check the stock and the company. The company is very good. It does work in product manufacturing. I think it works in bearings or something. Let's check. Orient refractories. Yeah, the refractories. It works in the refractories. Yeah, the Orient refractories. It was first it was named as Orient refractories. Now it is named as RHM MCW. So now we go again to check. The, we did textile. We did miscellaneous manufacturing. Now we go on to the industry, which I like the most, but hasn't done well. Is major banks are doing very nicely, and it should do well in the next couple of years. If you want, I can show you which banks I like the most. I posted on Twitter that which three banks I like much more than others. The PSB bank, I don't like this bank. Yes Bank, as you know, it's a disaster bank. Dhanlaxmi Bank is the same as Yes Bank. Indian Bank is good, but not that great. Bandhan Bank also it's okay. Bank of India, okay. IDBI not at all. Central Bank, no, I don't like it. Master Bank, no, I don't like it. IOB, I don't like it. PNB is doing very nicely from couple of quarters. You can check the balance sheet and the P&L of this company. I don't like it much, but it's still better than all of the above. And now we'll check another bank. South Indian Bank is a very good bank. You should read its annual reports. It is doing exceptionally well from few quarters or so. Also, IndusInd Bank. I like IndusInd Bank. I like South Indian Bank, and I like Canara Bank, which is not here. It may be somewhere else. You can see, yes, regional banks. How this performed. I like Equitas Bank. I like IDFC First Bank. I used to hold it, but sold it. Will I try to again enter? It's forming a good pattern. I'll tell you once I finish this part. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. I hold the holdco of this company. Ujjivan Holding. Uh, I don't like camps, but one of the family members hold this stock. And SBI, I like SBI. It's the greatest PSU bank in India, as you know. I like Canara Bank, as I mentioned before. I like Karnataka Bank. I holded it, sold it in good profits, as I told in my Twitter handle. You can go and check my Twitter handle. I'll tell you what's my name. In Twitter, it's maybe Bhavya24 if you want to check it out. Yes, this. You can go and follow me. I post stocks which I like and my short-term portfolio. You can see I hold Power Mac, I sold Dambuja, I sold Orient Refractories, I sold Patanjali, I sold GAL and sold Granules. So I have new stocks. Like today only I added NBCC. It's a realty company. Let's see how it goes. So you can check me out on Twitter. And let's go back to the industry research, regional banks. Karur Vyasa, it's a very great bank. I used to hold it. Sorry, I hold it right now also. I bought it around. Actually, where did I bought it? And I'll tell you why I did I bought it. So this is the stock. It has outperformed. You can tell where did I bought. Guess it. If you guessed it here, you are absolutely correct. I bought it when it broke out from here, and as it was showing a volume contraction pattern by Mark Navini. You can check his books. It's a great books. I have books, but I have the online books, not the physical books. So I read it from there and just followed the principles. It has been a good ride as I followed him. So I bought it here around 67 or so. I still hold it, and I think it should do a little bit contraction here, and then will broke out from this, and I again buy if it breaks again from the upside. It's a good stock, working very well for me. So I wouldn't sell it early, as I sold few stocks that has worked good after I sold it. So I hold it for a bit of time. First, let me close some tabs. Yeah, perfect. Now let's get back to the stocks. Now we have Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. I told you I hold. Equitas Holding, my dad holds this, and it has worked very well. All credits to SOIC. Because of them, I got to know about this company and I studied. Then I bought it from my dad's account. So let's check industry. Last industry, probably. Hmm, we did this. Industry which will do good. This is aerospace and defense. I hold 2 3 stocks from this industry. These 2 stocks I hold. Standard disclosure is anything in this video is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please do your due diligence, as I'm not a registered investment advisor nor a SEBI registered research analyst. So please do your due diligence. I just tell you what I like, what I don't, where I sell, where I buy. So these 2 stocks I hold. I like HAL. I like Process Industry also. So let's look at some charts of BDL and BEL. Let's go for BDL first. It's following the same pattern I like the most. It should work nicely if it crosses above with good volumes, not with low volumes. As of now, it has a little bit low volumes, so it should consolidate a bit here and then do a breakout above. It will be very good for me. As you can see, it a little bit of a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders pattern here. So it would be very good if it breaks out. Next we have is BEL. As you can see, I have made a section of defense in which I have Cochin Shipyard, BEL, BDL, HAL, Astra Micro, Mesgon Dock, GRSE, and Paris Defense. I don't like Paris Defense, but I put it in my watch list to check It is forming a good pattern as of now. If it completes this pattern, this, it would be a perfect cup and handle. So I will buy only above 789.9. So let's check the chart of BEL, which I hold from lower levels around 60 or so. Here I bought it. When it did a good up move, consolidation, I bought it here. I still hold it and doing the same thing again. Did a good up move, consolidation, will do an up move if it crosses above 114. That's the high point of this. So if you like this company, do read about this company. The order book of the defense companies is much more than before. So you should look into this company and you should hold at least a few for long term. I wouldn't tell the names. I just told you what I hold, and I will hold for a few years. So next we go on to check the index, how it is working today. The Nifty has fallen 135 points today. I don't see much more fall here. Probably we just stop here and then start up move again, or we'll go to 81833 and then we'll start uptrend. Nifty has to cool off. There is not a one-way ride. We see some fluctuations, then up move. Some fluctuations, then up move. That's what market does. So you have to stay in the market. Don't pull out your money if you heard crashes from. So one last time we'll check the Nifty chart. What are the probabilities? First probability would be if it bounces from here and goes back up. Another probability is we go down to around 18400, and the third probability is we retest this part 1800 and then go. I think this part, the 18,582 and 18,332 is a good support. So it should go up and take support from here. And just last time we'll check Nifty small cap, how it's doing. And yes, so it has done a bit, and I expect a good up move still from here. It can do this, from this, and do this, and do this. December would be a good month. Wait, let me close this first. I think December would be a good month for small caps and mid caps. So you should have your positions in small and mid caps and reduce your positions a bit in large caps as it's overvalued a bit right now. Okay, so I think we should end this video. I hope you like it. Anything else if you want from me, I can teach you. Just put on the write down the comments. I'll try to post anything what you want. Thank you. Have a nice day.